Alright guys, what's going down? So I have just a piece of 3/16 regular glass, you know, something you'd find in your home. Some people are saying, well, can you drill through glass? Well, I have glass and tile bits, and we're gonna check it out right now. So we'll just pick one, throw it in my DeWalt 1/4" drive impact, and we'll see. So oh, I think it's gonna just get hot and break.
Hot service. See what it looks like.
What do you guys think? Is this plausible? Is this what they heard, the drilling?
Dad,
Campo said?
Dad, you want this?
It's working.
Hey, Dad, you want some?
No.
Come on.
It's going. I think the key to this is just go slow and easy.
You're smoking.
Can you hold the phone like that, bud?
Yeah.
Don't touch nothing, though. Okay, so we drilled a hole. Not a big hole, but we drilled a hole. So, yeah, you could drill through glass, and I mean, if it was Tupper glass, it would totally work. So, that was just with like a, you know, low end, something for tile and glass. So,
Broke right here, easy.
yeah, I don't know if you guys, I was on Charles Walton's show, and I called in about a few things, and then he posted a video about a guy that was directly below him, and that he heard the shots and running from room to room. I don't know. I think, you know, I don't know what to think about that. It doesn't seem very credible, but I got some other videos coming out. Give me a like down below, subscribe to my channel. Happy New Year. Hit me up on Patreon if you can, it all helps. Go check out UFO Hunter UK, he's an awesome guy. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Hammer down.